Hey guys, Barbara here. In this video, we're going to see how the G Suite tools are interconnected. Let's check it out. With everything being stored in the cloud, a whole new world of opportunities opens up. You're able to link so many different things within the creation tools in G Suite. If you're working on a presentation and you have a slide that you would like to incorporate into your Google Doc, it's not a problem. You can copy the slide and paste it into your doc and it creates a live link. This means that any changes that get made in the presentation will be seen in the doc. All you need to do is update and your changes will pull through. The same goes for using charts from a spreadsheet. You can even link a paragraph of text from one document to another. Let's have a look. Let's start by having a look at how to copy a slide and paste it into a Google Doc. Here, I have a Google Doc around the topic of Chromebooks. You will notice that this doc is being written in a table. I'll hide the table when it's done. This is simply a technique to help plan the document layout. I already have a presentation on Chromebooks and would like to use the slides as part of the visual story of this document. From Google Slides along the left-hand side, where you are able to preview your slides, right-click on the slide you would like to include in your presentation and choose to copy from the menu that appears. Head back to your Google Docs and depending on where you would like it to be, select Paste. A little pop-up window will appear. Here, you will see two options. The first gives you the option to link the slide you are about to paste to the presentation. This will create a live link and any updates that are made in the presentation will be seen here. If you choose to paste it unlinked, it will simply paste the slide as a static image. Let's see how linking works. Select Paste. Your slide will now appear in that cell. Notice that when I click on the slide, I have the standard image options that appear below. Use these to move it around should you need to do so. At the top right, you will see a little link icon with an arrow. When you click on it, you will see your options appear. Here, you can choose to unlink the slide from the presentation or to open the source. Doing this will open the presentation where the slide can be found. If you make a change in that slide now, when you go back to your Google Doc, you will notice that another button has appeared saying Update. This indicates that a change has been made to the slide. When you select Update, that change will pull through into your Google Doc. It can be really useful to have all your productivity tools linked to each other. It will save you from doubling up on work and will ensure that the most up-to-date data is always visible when you need it. You can also use these features for charts or sections of a spreadsheet. Let's have a look. Here, I have some demo data. If I highlight and copy a series of cells from here, and then go to the Google Doc and paste, you will notice this little pop-up screen appear again. When you select Paste, that data will be added into your document. If you go back to the spreadsheet and make a change to the data range that you copied from, you will notice that back in your Google Doc, the update sign appears. When you select Update, those changes will pull through. This means you do the work once and then pull it into the other areas that you may need it to be. If you would like to insert a chart from a spreadsheet, head to your menu toolbar and select Insert. You will see a number of options appear when you hover over the chart. Here, you can choose to create a new bar, column, line, or pie chart, or alternatively, to add a chart from one of your spreadsheets. When you select from Sheets, your spreadsheets will open, and you can choose or search for the spreadsheet you would like to use. When you double-click on it, it will open the chart or charts that are available from that sheet. Notice the Link to Spreadsheet checkbox. Once you select the chart you would like to insert, select Import. That chart will now be added to your document. When you click on it, you will see the same linking icon appear in the top right-hand corner where you are able to open the chart source. If changes get made to that chart, you will get the little update icon that appears. Simply select Update and the changes will pull through. If you have copied a number of things from different locations into your document and lots of changes have been made, you do not need to click on each one individually and choose to update. From your Tools menu, you have the option for linked objects. When you open these objects, you will see a side panel appear with all the items that have been linked. You can either select individual ones you would like to update, or alternatively, select Update All. This will ensure that all changes are pulled through into your document. Let's shift our attention and have a look at some of the text-based linking options that you have in Google Docs. Every time you see this icon in the Google environment, you know that it pertains to linking. Let's say that I would like to link the word Chromebook to our Chrome on Web Store. I'll start by copying the URL for the website page I would like to link. If there is a specific page you would like somebody to be directed to, navigate to that page and then copy the URL. When you are back in your Google Doc, highlight the word you would like to link. With the word highlighted, head to your toolbar and select the linking icon. Alternatively, you could also right-click and use the link option from the menu that appears. A little window will open. Here, there are two sections that you will use. The text is what you will display in the document. For example, the word Chromebook, and below that is where you will paste the URL. Notice how your Google Drive search is integrated here as well. You can link anything from Google Drive too. I will paste the website URL in, and the Apply button will now change to blue. When you select Apply, you will notice that a hyperlink has now been added to that word. If you click on it, the website will open. If you want to edit this link, simply select it, and using the little pencil icon that appears, you are able to reopen this window and make the changes you need. There may be times when you would like to link a paragraph of text from one document to somewhere else. This can be useful when doing policies or long documents that refer to other documents. Let's see how that works. Here I have a document with over 40 pages, but I would like page 36 to be referred to somewhere else. I will start by clicking on the text I would like to link, and from the Insert menu, I'll select Bookmark. A little bookmark tag will be added to the document. Here you will see the option to get the link or to remove the bookmark. When you select the link option, your URL will change. Notice when I click somewhere else, it changes again. And when I click on the link by the bookmark, it adds a unique URL. Copy this unique URL. Head to the document that you would like to add it to. If you are linking it to a word, follow the steps we just covered and select Paste. When this link is open now, it will automatically take you to the exact section of the document. This is great when you want to ensure that someone reads a specific section of a document and you want to eliminate the possibility of them reading the wrong text.